The best cruise lines for 2022 have been announced according to U.S. News and World Report. But the question is, will you agree with these lists? Let's find out right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, which cruise line is the best? That is a bit of a subjective question because no two people are really alike. Because no two people necessarily even like the same thing. What you can enjoy on a cruise could be way different than what I enjoy on a cruise. But, like I said, this is the cruise lines as they have been ranked for 2022. So the first thing is how did they come up with these rankings? What methodology did they use? So 30% of the score is done by what they're calling an expert rating. And these are editors' analysis of a ship's atmosphere, its facilities, activities, cabins, food, and the quality of service on board. So that counts for 30% of the score. 50% of the score is a traveler's rating. Now, they got this from reviews on cruiseline.com, and it is based on reviews and satisfaction of the cruising experience from individuals that did, of course, reviews on that website. And the last 20% of the score is going to be the health rating, which is based on the sanitation inspection scores that are released by the CDC. So that's how they score it. That's the 100% scoring system that they are using. And they have broken it down into 6 different rankings based on 17 different cruise lines. And let's go ahead and jump into those rankings. And you follow along and let me know, do you agree with these or do you not agree with these? So our first category is going to be the best luxury cruise lines. Coming in at number 1 is going to be Viking Ocean Cruises, followed by Seabourn Cruise Line, Regent Seven Seas at number 3, Azamara at number 4, Crystal Cruises at number 5, Silver Sea Cruises at number 6, and Oceania Cruises at number 7. So that is what they have ranked as the best luxury cruise lines. Do you agree with this list? So the second category is going to be best cruise lines for the money. Coming in at number 1 is Celebrity Cruises. Number 2 is Holland America Cruise Line. Number 3 is Royal Caribbean. Number 4, Norwegian Cruise Line. Number 5, Carnival Cruise Line. Number 6, Princess Cruise Line. Number 7 is Costa Cruises. And number 8 is MSC Cruises. And so these are the best cruise lines for the money, as of course ranked by U.S. News and World Report. And one thing I've noticed about these rankings is they're not even. It's not like it's the top 5 or the top 10. Some of them have 6 or 7 on the list. Some of them have more than 10. Not sure exactly how they came to that particular conclusion that it shouldn't be the top 10, top 5, all 17 of the cruise lines, in order. I would think that might be a little bit better. That way you could see number 1 all the way down to number 17. But again, this is how they did it. This is the report they put out. But let's keep going on with it here. Next is going to be best cruise lines in the Caribbean. So number 1, Disney Cruise Lines. Number 2, Celebrity Cruises. Number 3, Seabourn Cruise Line. Number 4, Royal Caribbean International. Number 5 is Crystal Cruises. Number 6 is Regent Seven Seas Cruises. Number 7 is Holland America. Number 8 is Carnival. Number 9 is Norwegian Cruise Lines. Followed number 10 with Oceania Cruises. Number 11 is Princess Cruises. And following up, number 12 is MSC Cruises. So that is best cruise lines in the Caribbean. Do you agree with this list? Are they in the proper order for your favorite Caribbean cruise? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to see, particularly in the Caribbean. That's one that those of us here in the United States cruise in quite a bit. The Caribbean, Alaska, places like that. So curious to know if this list is something that you agree with. So before we get on with our last 3 rankings, if you would do me a favor and hit this little subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow, lets you know when our next video comes out, and of course, it does help us get to our goal of 2,000 subscribers before our 1-year channel anniversary here on the 26th of this month. Thank you in advance for anybody that hits that button. We really, really appreciate it. But let's get back to our rankings. And the next ranking is going to be Best Cruise Lines for Couples. Number 1 is going to be Viking Ocean Cruises. Seabourn Cruise Line at number 2. Azamara at number 3. Crystal Cruises at number 4. Regent Seven Seas at number 5. Celebrity at number 6. Oceania Cruises at number 7. Silversea Cruises at number 8. Cunard at number 9. And Holland America at number 10. Next will be Best Cruise Lines for Families. Honestly, no surprise here. Disney Cruise Line is at number 1. Royal Caribbean is number 2. Carnival is number 3. Norwegian is number 4. MSC is number 5. And Costa Cruises is number 6. Now, this particular list right here is probably the one I would agree with the most out of all of them. Not necessarily in this order, but at least these particular cruise lines. When you sail out of North America, I always think of the big cruise lines. The Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Norwegian, MSC, Celebrity, Disney Cruise Lines. Your big cruise lines here in the area. So yeah, I would consider these are probably some of the best cruise lines for families. I said, not necessarily in this order, because again, everybody's choice is subjective. What you think is the best may not be what I think is the best, may not be what a whole bunch of other people think is the best. But I can at least agree with these cruise lines. And finally, best cruise lines in the Mediterranean. Again, at number 1 will be Viking Ocean Cruises. Number 2 will be Seabourn Cruise Lines. Number 3 is Azamara. Number 4, Regent Seven Seas. Number 5 is Celebrity. Number 6 is Oceania. Number 7 is Crystal Cruises. Number 8 is Costa. Number 9 is MSC. Number 10 is Silversea Cruises. Number 11 is Holland America. Number 12 is Norwegian Cruise Lines. Number 13 is Princess Cruise Lines. Number 14 is Royal Caribbean. And number 15 is Cunard. And that is all 6 categories ranked according to U.S. News and World Report. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you agree with these lists at all? Are these the way that you would order them, or do you have your own preference to what is the best cruise line out there? I am actually curious to know what the viewers of this channel think is the absolute best cruise line out there. Leave your comment below. We'll add them up. We'll see what everybody says. And then here in an upcoming video, we can give that answer. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.